How to add admin to Meta Business Suite account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add admin to Meta Business Suite account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Meta Business Suite. Once you've signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see a number of things, right? Such as create posts, create ad, create reels, etc. And the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons which include some notifications, some instructions, or some options which includes home notifications, inbox, content, planner, etc. Then scroll down to the last part of the screen where you can see settings, and then you click on it. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. The next step is move to the left side of the screen and select people. All right, if you're not brought automatically to people, ensure you set to people, and then once you're on the people's page, you can see the number of people that have been added to your account. Then the next thing to do is to either, if you've added the person that you want to make an admin to the page already, you can just go ahead and go to the person's contact, move to the right side of the screen where you can see three dots on the person's contact. Click on it and then go ahead and edit business portfolio permissions, and from here you can now edit the person's permission and make the person an admin. But if not, the next thing to do is to invite the person in order to add the person to your account. So after clicking on invite the person, a window would be displayed on the screen. So here you can decide to add the person by typing out the person's email address. All right, so just type out the email address in the slated box, and then once you've typed out the email address of the person, click on next, and then you can see assign access. So do you want a partial access or do you want full access? Since you want the person to be an admin, ensure you put off this toggle, or you could leave it on since everyone must have a partial access. Then if you want the person to be able to set up conversion and all, put on the toggle. And then if you want the person to be able to have full control over everything, which an admin does, click on it and then click on manage and then click on next, and you can now assign business access to the person as well. Then click on confirm selection, then read through all of these, check out the access that you also want to give the person. So once you're done, just go ahead and click the toggle that you want to give the person, and everything as well, and then click on next and then send invitation. And once the person accepts the invitation, he or she would be an admin on this page as well. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can add an admin on your Meta Suite account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.